Hello, today I'm in Leon. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage climate control panel. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and press Climate button. Here you can change temperature, airflow power, enable front conditioning, rear conditioning, manage eye climate, enable air care, climate, and go to climate control settings. Also you can enable AC, front windshield, rear windshield heating, and in the end you can change mode of climate control. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.